So in the past 50 days, my Instagram page grew with 100,000 new followers. And throughout entire 2022, I was not able to grow my page at all until I found this ultimate growth strategy at the start of December 2022. And my page literally blew up overnight. So let's start with step number 1. That is, you must be posting at the right posting times. Actually, I recently launched a step-by-step program which shows you how I got from 0 to over 100,000 followers, and I also included the posting times table inside the program, which you can get for absolutely free clicking the first link in my description or in the first pinned comment under this video. I left a graph of the best posting times to post your content to Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube under this video. Feel free to download it. The times are in the EST time zone. But in case you don't want to join the free course, feel free to screenshot the time posting table, the one that you see on the screen right now. All the times are EST based times. So if you are not in the EST time zone, just convert the times to your own time zone. I've noticed a major difference when posting on these times. Right now, I'm gonna show you an ultimate way to never run out of content ideas and to always make sure that you're posting reels that has the most chances of going viral. So all you gotta do is to find 5 to 15 influencers who are in your niche. Make sure they have less than 100,000 followers, and the sweet spot would be from 10 to 50,000 followers. You then would go to their Instagram page and you would go to the reel section. What you're going to find is that majority of the content they're posting is getting similar amount of views, but then you're going to find posts like this, which got significantly more views than other posts. Most of the time, they're gonna have 10 to 20 times more views. You would then simply copy the link of the reel and post it in your notes or in the Excel spreadsheet. Also, make sure that this reel has been posted no longer than 60 days ago. So here's an example of what I'm actually talking about. As you can see, this specific video performed really well for this influencer. So let's say this influencer was in your niche area and you selected him in your influencer list. You found a piece of content that performed really well for him, and now it's time for you to remake that video for yourself. Just by recreating that reel and posting it under the same audio, you are going to boost up your chances of going viral extremely high. By recreating, I'm not saying to copy word by word. Make sure you're adding something unique when recreating it, of course. Also, make sure you're following the framework on how that reel was created. And if you're someone who's creating talking head reels, something like this.
Rather than putting my cash in a bank account, I put them into treasuries. Media is the only business where marketing and delivery are the same. So think about this.
For anybody who is trying to do this, it's quantity first. So you just have to put out
The same concept applies to you as well. Audio. So here are some golden rules to follow when picking an audio you're gonna be using for your reels. Firstly, make sure the audio has no more than 10,000 uses, especially if you are a small creator. There are pages like these who share trending audios almost every single day. So what you can do is simply follow these pages and use the trending audios they are suggesting. When the audio has less than 10,000 uses and there are people who use that audio and gain 500,000, 1 million views on their videos, that's a good sign to use that audio. Again, if you can find audios that are about to blow up, your reel could literally not be that great and it still will be pushed to the algorithm and it might blow up just because you used the right audio. So yeah, make sure to check out the pages I just showed you to never miss out on trending audios. Before I touch on the most important thing that will allow you to grow your Instagram and keep going viral every time, let's talk about your upload quality. Now, most of you, including me myself, might not know this, but Instagram has this option, and if you don't select it, your reels not gonna be posted in the highest quality. So simply what you need to do is go to your settings, go to account, go to data usage, and make sure that upload at the highest quality is selected. Once you do that, do not rush to upload your videos. There is another really important thing you have to do before uploading. Once you select the video for upload, make sure you let it play out from start to finish, just the way I'm showing you here. I don't know why, but it literally helps out with video quality. Lastly, make sure you have a stable and strong Wi-Fi connection before uploading the video. Once you have all these three checked, you're ready to post the reel. When it comes down to hashtags, to be honest, I'm not using it. I've noticed that my videos performed way better when I stopped using hashtags. I think that is just one of those things that you have to test for yourself. I do believe social media is becoming really smart, and they are working in a way where they know to what audience push your content towards. So with that being said, I got way better results without using any hashtags. So most of the creators, including me myself, make a mistake. When we find something that works, we instantly are looking for a new thing, when instead we could just do more of what works. Instagram, YouTube, and other social media platforms are going to give you hints when you start posting your content. You're going to see that certain pieces of content perform way better than other ones. View that as feedback. Instagram wants you to keep posting more of that, so just keep doing it.
There's gonna be some stuff that does better than others, and so it's like, cool, do more of that.
When your reel finally goes viral, keep remaking the similar type content. I'm not saying to use the same audio, but make sure you're using similar frameworks and concepts for the video that work for you. Do not switch to something completely new. Let me show you how this works live in action. This reel, I uploaded it really well for me.
If you don't have ideas, read. If you have ideas but can't articulate them, write.
So I decided to simply remake similar video in a slightly different way.
If you don't have ideas, read. If you have ideas but can't articulate them, write. If you have ideas and the clarity to execute, build.
And again, it did pretty well, as you can see, simply because that this concept is proven to work. And I found that the best way to go about this, once your reel starts going viral, 80% of the time keep making similar type reels to keep growing the page, and 20% of the time experiment with new ideas and concepts. That way you're not slowing the growth, and also you're testing new ideas for the future. A lot of people ask me in the comments what to do when you go viral and now your followers do not engage with your content. My instant answer is simply do not worry about what you can control. But I know this is not the answer you've been looking for, so just keep in mind that this is gonna happen to majority of people that go viral on these platforms. Just understand how much content is out there and that you're constantly competing for the attention. My best advice in that case, just look what content went viral for you and try remaking the same content. That way you're gonna re-engage the followers that came from that viral video. Or just focus on nurturing and serving the audience that are engaging with you right now. Continuously provide value to them through stories, through your content. Make sure you're building a strong connection with them. And that is honestly just few things that you can do, which are in your control. Other than that, don't worry and don't focus on something that is not in your control. And if you enjoyed this video, you're definitely gonna enjoy this video where I tell my story of how Instagram changed my life. By that being said, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you're new, and do not forget to